Jim Bradburn here from 3M Commercial Solutions. I'm the tech advisor for 3M Canada. We are out here with Shane introducing our new 2080, the new 2080 gloss products, film wrap product for 3M. We have the new cap on this product to allow full installation without any issues of scratching the material. When you're installing your 2080, you can use as much pressure as you want on the top cap, so you don't have to worry about scratching the material. As you're doing your installation, you can really get in there, not be concerned about any type of scuffing or marring on the material. Once you're finished, you're going to do your standard heating and you're going to pull that liner off and it's going to look shiny and new.